trying everything but still not losing weight, you're not alone. These 5 common mistakes silently block your fat loss. Let's fix them. Mistake 1: skipping meals. Thinking skipping breakfast helps. It slows your metabolism and increases cravings later. Mistake 2: overeating healthy foods. Yes, nuts and avocados are healthy, but they are calorie dense. Portion control matters. Mistake 3: too much cardio, no strength training. Cardio burns calories, but muscle burns fat 247. Lift weights to build fat burning power. Mistake 4: not sleeping enough. Less than 6 hours of sleep. It messes with hormones and makes your body store more fat. Mistake 5: no patience. Weight loss takes time. Crash diets exceed crash results. Stay consistent, not extreme. Conclusion: now you know what's stopping your progress. Fix these and fat loss becomes easier. Subscribe for simple science backed health advice that actually works.